everybody, welcome back to Ally Can Cook. My name's Georgia. Thanks for not hurting any animals like me. Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we are showing you guys how we make
The perfect
roasted chickpeas.
Yay.
We have experimented with roasted chickpeas for a long time, I think.
Yeah, we have.
Sometimes when you make them, and when I followed other recipes online, not all of the chickpeas get crunchy the way you want them to. Some of them can be a little mushy. But we have found the secret to making it the best roasted chickpeas you will ever have. These are great to put on top of tacos, to put in your bowls, salads, or even just to munch on for your own little snack.
I really like munching on them for a snack. Much better than reaching for potato chips.
Yes. So if you guys want to see how we make our perfect roasted chickpeas, keep watching. You just want to open up your can of chickpeas. Once they're opened, you just drain them and rinse them with some cold water.
So once you've drained and rinsed your chickpeas, I'm just going to lay them out here on parchment paper. Spread them out so they're all evenly laid out.
But after you've laid out your chickpeas, just take a paper towel and kind of dry them off. You don't have to worry about getting the skins of the chickpeas off, because with the method we use, it doesn't actually matter. So that saves you a bit of time. Next comes the secret steps.
You haven't even told me the secret steps.
The key to perfectly roasted chickpeas is sunflower oil instead of olive oil. A lot of recipes say to use olive oil. Don't. It doesn't bake well at super high heats in the oven, so it won't get your chickpeas super crispy.
Right.
Second important step, pink Himalayan salt. This is actually the purest form of salt I think you can have. It's the most natural, and you also don't have to use as much of it because it's stronger than your regular table salt. So pink Himalayan salt, sunflower oil. Probably 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. I usually just kind of drizzle it like this over top. Guesstimate, if I had to say, I'd say 2 tablespoons or maybe 1.5 tablespoons. Then I take my pink Himalayan salt, do a couple little turns of it. Again, I'd probably say 2 teaspoons of it, maybe at most. On your baking sheet, move your hands around, make sure they're all coated in the oil and pink Himalayan salt.
Now, you can do this in a separate bowl if you wanted to, but we don't, because why mess up a bowl if you don't need to?
Yeah. This is perfectly fine. You can roast them this way. We also like to flavor them a little bit. Some possible flavorings that you can use are chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder if you want, paprika, really whatever you want. Today we're gonna do ours with chili powder, that's our favorite. So I usually just, again, sprinkle them over top, about 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoons. Make sure everything's coated nice and evenly. And after that is done, you bake them in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through. So I throw ours in the oven now, and then we'll show you guys them when they come out. Alrighty guys, so that is how we make our perfectly roasted chickpeas. They are honestly amazing. Like we said before, you can put them on salads, tacos, have them for snacks alone, put them in wraps. They're just awesome, and chickpeas are a great source of protein.
They are, and you can really present them in really lovely little bowls too, so they look like a really nice snack.
Yeah, and they're super easy to make, very low maintenance, right? One thing we do just want to quickly note before we sign off is that you want to make sure you're baking these on the bottom rack of your oven or wherever the most heat in your oven comes from, because you really want to just suck all the moisture out of these things.
You want them crispy.
Yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.